Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare ledgers. Ledgers can be prepared very easily through journals. Journal means recording financial transaction, and ledger means posting financial transaction, which is called journals, into different accounts. It means if you have 10 accounts, you need to prepare 10 ledgers. So let's see how many accounts we have in these three journals. So one of the account name can be bank, which is also called cash at bank. Then another account would be capital. Then we have equipment, accounts payable, rent. We can see bank account is common all these three journal entries. It means to prepare ledgers we need to consider all these three journal entries. Then we can see that another account which is called capital, but we don't see capital in other journal entries. So that means we need to, when you prepare ledger for capital accounts, we just need to consider this journal entry. There is another account, equipment, accounts payable, then rent. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means we have to prepare 5 different ledgers for these 5 different accounts. So let's prepare a bank account or cash at bank account. Over here we can see April, 1st of April, balance BD, which means brought down $10,000. So it means this $10,000 brought down from last month. This is also called opening balance. Now we can see capital $50,000. So how we got capital $50,000 here? So let's see. So you see capital $50,000 is here, but remember you are not actually writing this $50,000 here. Actually this $50,000 is this one, not capital. So what happened is you see $50,000 bank is debit. So if you see the account you are going to prepare, the ledger account you are going to prepare, which is called cash at bank. So you see that bank is $50,000 is debit, right? So that $50,000 would be debit here. So just ignore this one because that bank you already wrote here. So it means bank debit $50,000. So that's why that $50,000 would be here. And that capital, you just look at the opposite entry. So bank debit, the opposite entry is capital, which is credit. So that, and then you write that $50,000 under here. So it means cash at bank has been increased by $50,000 as capital. So I'm repeating again. So if you see bank as debit, then you put the figure under debit, which is 50,000, 50,000. And then you look for the opposite entry, which is capital. So then you just write the amount. You just write the name of the account, which is capital. Alright, so if I give you the next example, which is the journal entry of April 10, then you will understand much better. So over here we see the journal entry is equipment debit $40,000, bank credit $10,000, accounts payable credit $30,000. So over here your bank is $10,000 as credit. So you need to write on right hand side. So you can see the $10,000 is credit. So over here opposite entry of bank is equipment. So you write equipment, but make sure you write $10,000. Please don't write $40,000. So what I'm saying is your bank is credit, so you write the amount and then you look for the opposite entry. So the opposite entry of bank is equipment, not accounts payable, because bank is credit, the opposite entry should be the debit one. So over here the opposite entry of bank is equipment, which is $10,000. So it means bank account has been decreased by $10,000 because business paid $10,000 for buying equipment. So the next one is, you can do it so next one you can see rent debit bank credit. So you should write on your right hand side, which is credit side. So $1,000 credit, $1,000 credit. The opposite entry is rent, so you write the opposite entry rent. So as you can see in ledger you have two sides. So left hand side is called debit side and right hand side is called credit side. If you look at both sides, which side you think is bigger than the other side? So you see that left hand side you have $10,000 balance brought down from last month, then you have $50,000. So we need to add this then. So 10,000 plus 50,000, we have 60,000. So when you get one side 60,000, you need to write the same 60,000 to the other side, which is credit side over here. So 50,000 plus 10,000, 60,000, then you just copy paste to the other side 60,000. And then the difference would be $49,000, which is on your credit side. You can see $49,000. And then this $49,000 would be credited down to the next month. So next month is May. So 1st of May, balance BD brought down $49,000 from last month. So that balance CD will be the balance BD in next month. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to prepare a ledger of capital. So you can see there's both two sides. Left hand side is, you can see the debit sides, and right hand side you can see the credit side. So what do you have to do? So now you have to find out, you have to prepare the ledger account for capital. So capital account, you have balance, so you have balance BD $20,000 from last month, and you just need to focus here. So that means you just need to look at on this journal entry. You don't have to look at here. So over here we can see capital $50,000 as credit. So we are doing the ledger for capital. So we need to write amount 50,000 on credit side. So opposite entry of capital is bank. So you can just write bank. So $50,000. So it means capital account has been increased by $50,000 as bank. I mean as owner invests. So $50,000, balance BD $20,000. Left hand side you don't have anything. So 50,000 plus 20,000, 70,000. So that whole amount would be balance CD of April 30. So total amount would be 70,000. So the whole amount balance CD will be the balance BD of next month. So as you see, if balance CD is debit side, then next month it will be on your credit side. Over here, your balance CD, which was credit side, in then next month it will be on debit side. As we know, $49,000 is as you know, cash at bank is a debit account. So it means business has $49,000 cash at bank. So it means business got $49,000 cash at their bank account. A capital is credit account. So capital, so if your balance BD is 70,000 and next month, or balance sheet is 70,000, it means positive 70,000. So business got $70,000 as capital. Thank you very much.